friends, welcome back to Life of Syd. Today we're vlogging. I hope that's not in my video. We're vlogging. I'm actually running super late nail salon. Well, not super late, but late enough. I'm supposed to be at the nail salon at 12. I'm pulling out of my driveway at 12:02, and I'm vlogging from my phone because I didn't charge my camera battery last night. So and my SIM card was full because I didn't transfer everything over to my MacBook. So yeah, we'll be vlogging from my phone. I'm gonna go to the nail salon, treat myself a little relaxation. I'm gonna get a pedicure. I'm gonna get a pedicure, get a fill, get my eyebrows done. And then I have to do a little running around. Well, not really running around, but I want to go to Zora. I have to take back a couple items to Zora and take a couple items back to Zora. And I want to stop past the UGG outlet. I'm thinking about getting a new pair of house slippers. But yeah, so of course I have to take you guys with me because I need my citizens rolling with me. So I'm gonna get off this phone and focus on the road so I can get to the nail salon. I'm surprised my nail tech didn't text me yet. Like, hello Sydney, where are you? You're late. So I will see you guys at the nail salon. So once I get in the nail salon, they make you sign like a waiver and take your temperature. I'm gonna record it so y'all can see. And they got like the little dividers and everything up, so it's pretty safe. At first I was feeling like, when I first came back, I was like so nervous, but when I got here it was like so comfortable and everybody spread out. So let's see if they're still doing that.
I go get massage, so I can tell.
So I'm back. Oh no, my headphone just dropped underneath my seat. I'm back home, got my nails done. I've been gone since 12 o'clock. Oh my goodness, it was like the longest nail appointment ever. But how about I could not get my eyebrows done because they had to take out the wax. I guess the health inspector said like cross-contamination, so they can't do waxing. So I'm gonna have to either pluck my own eyebrows. I'm not going to narrow them. I'm gonna either have to pluck my own eyebrows or go and get them threaded, which I don't like that because it's like getting your eyebrows threaded. It's like freaking torture. So I don't know what I'm gonna do because I feel like I'm like really bushy. yeah, so I'm just gonna have to tweeze them myself. Well, I have to get my daughter to come and tweeze them. So now I'm just gonna go in the house for a few minutes. I'm gonna wait for my husband to come home, and we're gonna hit the road and go to the mall. We gotta stop past Sam's and pick up some sodas, and we're gonna go get something to eat. I know y'all like, why she got this head wrap on? My hair is not done, and I didn't feel like doing no slick ponytails. I didn't feel like putting a whole bunch of product in my hair. I have a hair appointment tomorrow, Friday. I have a hair appointment, and I didn't feel like putting build up product in my hair. And I like my hair wraps. I love wearing a hair wrap. It kind of reminds me of my mother, but she was Muslim, and she always wore hair wraps, and I think they're so cute because you get to see the whole frame of your face. I'm all natural, no makeup. I'll be getting lines from this stupid mask, and it be breaking me out sometime too. I know I have some bumps over here. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in the house and grab me a quick little sandwich, a Crustable. I love Crustables, peanut butter and jelly. So I'm gonna grab that to hold me over into dinner time. And like I said, we're gonna go to the mall. We're gonna stop past Sam's Wholesale and pick up some sodas for Snack Town. That's our little snack store in the local mall in my area. And yeah, so I will see y'all in Okay, citizens, I'm back home. I'm going to start cleaning up this closet because it's a mess, so I can get ready to drop a Zora haul for y'all. And I have another unboxing video that I'm going to drop on Sunday. I'm going to try to have this video out tomorrow, which is Friday. It's Thursday night, so I'm going to try to edit tonight. And then, yeah, I'm going to get the Zora haul done tomorrow because I will have my hair braided. So, yeah. So that is the end of this little vlog. I hope I got enough footage. I think I did. I know when I went in the mall, I didn't really vlog. That's because I felt like I was rushing. And sometimes when it's a little crowded, I don't know, sometimes I get a little uncomfortable vlogging. I just got to get over that people staring in your face and just be like, yeah, whatever, I'm vlogging. But until next time, which will be in a couple days when I drop that Zora haul for you guys, sis signing off. Peace.